Here's a great deal on a 2013 Nissan Rogue. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.